Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Metromile to explore pay-per-mile auto insurance, full guide step by step clearly. To register with Metromile for pay-per-mile auto insurance, start by visiting the Metromile website. On the home page, locate the Get a Quote button and click on it. You will be prompted to enter your zip code. After entering your zip code, click Get a Quote again. Next, input your vehicle information, including the make, model, and year. Additionally, provide details about your driving history. This may include information about any accidents or tickets. Once you complete this section, click Continue to proceed. You might be asked to create an account with your email and a password. After completing the registration form, click Sign Up. Check your email for a verification link and click on it to confirm your account. Once verified, log in to your Metromile account. Now, you can access your personalized quote. Review the quote details, including the estimated monthly cost based on your mileage. If you agree with the terms, proceed to finalize your plan. You'll need to provide additional personal information, including your driver's license number. Metromile may also ask for your social security number for identity verification. After submitting the required information, review everything carefully. Click on the Enroll button to confirm your auto insurance plan. Soon after, you'll receive a welcome email with your policy details. Lastly, download the Metromile app to track your mileage and manage your plan. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.